Today we're going to be trying a new type of video, which is comparing two different companies. So today we're going to be comparing Home Depot as well as Lowe's, which are two of the biggest companies in the home improvement retail sector. So the reason that I think that this sector will have a high growth over the next couple of years is their solid growth as well as the interest in DIY projects. So we can see that DIY projects growth has been increasing from 2015 to 2024, as we can see in this chart, as well as the fact that the home improvement industry is stronger than ever with the highest revenue ever seen before. So the reason that I chose Home Depot and Lowe's is that those are the two biggest companies in the sector. So Home Depot currently has a PE ratio of 23.75, while Lowe's has a PE ratio of 17.61. So we can see that Lowe's wins that one because it's more fair priced and closer to its actual value. So Home Depot has revenues of 159 billion in fiscal 2024, and Lowe's had revenue of 83 billion, which is why I think that Home Depot has a better brand value as well as higher earnings, and because of this, they have a higher market cap. And so the AI integration is a difficult one because um, with AI becoming a bigger industry and a bigger sector, what companies that use it and take advantage of it will definitely be much better than companies that don't in the future. So both of these companies actually do use AI. So Home Depot has improved search, which is kind of similar to Google search, where you can find what items you need for your DIY home projects easier. And Lowe's has a bot that can it's like an AI assistant that'll help you find inspiration, help you find the right products and recommendations for your next project. So while both of these are solid and they could also be better, I think that Milo takes the win on this one because of it's more practical and has more tools in it. So for this one, let's give it to Milo's. And market share, while I don't have the exact statistics, we can see that um, Home Depot has a higher brand value as well as market share. So that one will go to Home Depot. And the amount of stores. So Home Depot has 22,300 stores across the US, Canada, and Mexico. And Lowe's currently has 1,700 home improvement stores in only the US because try they only do business in the United States. They actually did try to expand to Mexico and Canada, but now they don't anymore. So 2,300 and 1,700. So that one goes to Home Depot. So the winner, I think, is going to be Home Depot here. But both of these sides can be argued, and both sides have a case for buying it. But I think that Home Depot will have a better and more sustainable business model in the years to come. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Make sure to put your ideas for future videos in the comments.